We are pleased to share that the Realis Simulation 2025.2 version has now been released. In this presentation, we will walk through what's new in our structure mechanics products and highlight the most important enhancements introduced in this release. In this version, we focused heavily on improvements in Vulkan, Ringpack, and Sabre. We introduced new methods and modeling approaches that increase analysis accuracy, enhance user-friendliness across the tools, and developed features that help users work more efficiently. Let's now go through the individual new features in details. We improved the distribution of thermal load acting on the cylinder head flame face, which now allows more accurate temperature predictions. Fierce Vulkan now applies the additional heat load near the exhaust valve seat without violating the Voshny in-cylinder heat transfer correlation. Instead of adding extra heat, the algorithm now shifts the thermal load toward the exhaust side while fully respecting Voshny's model. This results in significantly improved temperature accuracy on the cylinder head. We also enhanced the calculation of in-cylinder temperature based on the provided pressure trace. A new tuning option allows the predicted in-cylinder temperature to be aligned with the measured exhaust port temperature. This is especially beneficial for diesel engines, where the previous approach could underpredict temperatures. With this update, temperature prediction is more accurate and more representative of real engine behavior. The FECFD co-simulation methodology, first introduced in 2024.2 and enhanced in 2025.1, has been further improved to deliver a smoother and more productive workflow. Users can now add monitoring points to extract CFD results at selected locations. Visualization of inlet and outlet faces has been refined, and the wall and wall adiabatic boundaries handling is now much more flexible. The CFD solution template has also been updated, offering faster and more stable convergence. Beyond temperature predictions, Fierce Vulkan delivers a full piston secondary motion dynamic solution as an automatic part of the piston-to-bore interface. This solution provides all mechanical loads required for piston FE stress analysis, cylinder pressure, skirt and pin bearing reaction loads, and full dynamic body loads. Previously, setting up the piston stress model required several manual steps in Fierce. Now, the entire piston stress analysis can be defined directly within the Fierce Vulkan task. This greatly improves efficiency and enables seamless workflow for temperature prediction to stress and durability assessment. Our unified graphical interface now provides a consistent environment for Ringpack parametrization and optimization using the Pisdyne Ringpack plugin. Users can parameterize geometry, operating conditions, and load cases, including temperature variations and cylinder pressure. A new sweep functionality enables systematic exploration of parameter ranges for calibration and optimization. This greatly improves the setup of complex campaigns and ensures full traceability and reproducibility. Comprehensive post-processing of Pisdyne and Ringpack results is now integrated directly into RPost. The tool offers structured access to all cyclic data and summary data and provides powerful visualization methods and post-processing calculations. Users can easily explore how design parameters and load conditions influence significant outputs such as friction, blow-by, and oil consumption. Contour plots further support interpretation by showing special trends and sensitivities, helping engineers quickly identify optimal design configurations. PISDYNE, RingPack, and Vulkan 2025.2 now include native integration with Mode Frontier. This enables automated parametric studies and optimization workflows without any scripting. Engineers can map inputs directly, extract outputs via RPOS templates, and run multi-case studies fully automatically, covering sweeps, DOE, optimization loops, or response surfaces. This dramatically reduces setup time and accelerates the search for optimal design. A new method for calculating the expander stiffness of the three-piece oil control ring has been introduced. The updated model ensures that ring dynamics accurately reflects changes in design parameters such as the tap angle. Users can now choose between several stiffness calculation approaches, including the original method, a simplified stiffness ratio approach, a direct user-defined value, or an automatic geometry-based method using beam theory. This flexibility enables a more realistic and physically consistent representation of all control ring behavior. Bevel gear geometry and rating can now be handled directly within Sabre Gear, with seamless import and export to Sabre for shaft and bearing calculations. A new solver improves convergence for very complex models such as automatic transmissions with multiple epicyclic stages. The XF files can now be rotated within the profile and gear body deflection editors, simplifying alignment and improving productivity. Bevel gear geometry is now defined in full detail in Sabre Gear, including straight bevel, spiral bevel, and hypoid gears. Users receive direct feedback on geometry and can exchange models with Sabre for shaft and bearing analysis. Gear rating is performed according to ISO 10300, even for complex duty cycles, bringing bevel gears analysis to the same level of capability as parallel axis gears. Large and highly complex models, especially those with multiple planetary gear sets, now benefit from a new precondition solver. This solver significantly accelerates convergence, often by a factor of 2, when many components are in contact or floating between clearances. Simpler models solve just as fast as before, while complex ones see dramatic performance improvements. Finally, the VDI 2610 standard for gear data exchange has been implemented as a technology demonstrator. This standard enables reliable data exchange between software tools and manufacturing systems, reducing errors and improving communication. It helps close the loop between design, manufacturing, inspection, and analysis, supporting a more integrated development process. We hope these new features will help you work more efficiently, achieve more accurate results, and continue pushing your engineering designs forward.